Hey guys, welcome to Young 40 Mom Crafts. We're gonna pick some winners today. Alright, so the first set of winners are going to win this set of flosses that I did not show you guys in the original video. But I did show you the iron-on transfers. I opened them up and showed you, and the ideas on how to do different types of crafting or embroidery with embroidery floss. So, and I said you would include some flosses with that. So you're going to get this set of floss. It is from JP Coats, which is good quality floss. So the first person to win the giveaway, let's go do that. All right, this is for the winner of the floss and transfer and ideas. And since I'm in the holiday mood, I'm not going to be filtering duplicate users. Let's go ahead and see who won. Oh, there are 28 unique comments. And we'll pick a winner. Let's see who won. Bonnie Myers. I would use them to make quilt squares to embroidery. My question was, what would you do with the patterns? How would you use the iron-on transfers? So congratulations, Bonnie Myers. I will tell you how to collect your winnings. Stay tuned to the end of the video. Well, congratulations, Bonnie. Stay tuned to the end of the video, and I'm going to tell you how you can collect your winnings. So the next one we're going to do is for the cookbook that I told you guys nobody claimed. So it's already packaged and ready to go. And for the 2 cross-stitch kits, they're packaged and ready to go. One was from, I believe, one was September and one was November, I believe. But anyway, so they're going to be binded up together and they're going to be ready to go. So let's go ahead and pick the winners for those two. They're on one giveaway, so we're going to pick the winners for those. We'll be right back. All right, now we're going to pick the winners for the cookbook. And these are prizes that were not picked up or claimed. So we're going to, let's see, where I don't see where you can pick, add extra entries, exclude blacklist users. Oh, okay. Filter comments based on a specific text. That's what we want to do. So we're looking for the word cookbook, because you had to tell me whether you wanted the cookbook or the cross-stitch kits. So let's get the comments. There were 38 people who wanted that cookbook. So let's go see who's going to win the cookbook. And we're having 2 drawings on this one. All right, Samantha Doe, congratulations. You won the cookbook. The cross-stitch mystery bags seem interesting. I know I watched the video, but don't remember what's in them. So it would be a surprise. Cookbooks are also nice. Okay, so because she came in with the word cookbook, she is going to be the one to get the cookbook. Congratulations, Samantha Doe. All right, Samantha, just pay attention to the end of the video. I'm going to tell you how you can collect your winnings. Now we're going to change the word to cross. That way it'll pick up if you put a dash or space or no space. And we're going to pick up all the people that had the word cross for cross stitch. And we'll see how many unique comments we had. There were 50 unique comments that had the word cross in it for cross stitch. You had to say cross stitch, but I didn't want to discriminate if you put a dash or if you space or you put it as one word. So let's see who's going to win that. Kathy Zumwalt. Kathy's won from me before. Congratulations, Kathy. I am definitely interested. The cross-stitch kits. The stitch markers are cute. Well, thank you so much, Kathy. I appreciate it. Congratulations. Watch to the end of the video, and I will tell you how to collect your winnings, but you already know. But we'll tell you anyway. All right, well, congratulations, Kathy and Samantha. Stay tuned to the end of the video, and I will tell you how you can collect your winnings. So, next we're going to do, let's see, what are we doing next? We are doing the crochet books with the yarn. I'm going to do that one next because I'm going to have multiple people with the stitch markers. So with that, you were going to get it was this special one that I did at Christmas Eve. You're going to get these 2 crochet books. If you're within the US, you will get the crochet books and you get the pound of yarn. It's that yarn that you can make that basket out of that I showed you. It's like a t-shirt type yarn. It's very stretchy. It doesn't say what type of material it is. But anybody could enter this, but I can only ship to the US if you won if you live in the US, you get the yarn. If you don't live in the US and you do win, then you're going to we'll still get the crochet books. I will ship that out to you. So, for the yarn and the crochet books for the holiday gift, let's go ahead and go pick our winner. Now I'm going to do that special holiday giveaway with the yarn and the crochet books. I've already put in the URL, so let's get our comments. We had 56 comments for the Christmas surprise giveaway. And that's for that really thick, like, t-shirt yarn. It's really awesome. All right, Tammy Maynard. Congratulations, Tammy. That yarn would be fun. Have a good day to all. Well, congratulations, Miss Tammy. I will put you down. Stay to the end of the video, please, and I will tell you how you can collect your winnings. All right, well, congratulations, Tammy. I got you down here, and just pay attention to the end, and I'll let you know how you can collect your winnings. So, last but not least, we're going to do the drawing. I thought I was going to have to do this, split this up into several videos. So the next drawing is going to be for the Crochet Magazine and a set of my stitch markers that got kicked out of Etsy. If y'all don't know the story, go check out the video. I've got it on there explaining why the Etsy kicked me out. But anyway, so you're going to get this particular set of stitch markers to go with your magazine. So this is what you will win, and that's going to go with that, the first person that I choose. The next 3 winners randomly will get one of these sets of stitch markers, and that can be used for knit or crochet. So, and it's just going to be random. I'm just going to select and stick it in a mailing bag to go to you. It'll be in a padded mailer. All 4 of these prizes are going to be open worldwide. So let's go pick some winners. All right, now for the multiple giveaway. This is the one with the crochet book and the stitch markers. So the first winner is going to be the person who won the crochet book and the special set of stitch markers. So we're going to go ahead and collect all the comments for this one because we're going to have multiple drawers from this. So let's see, it says we have 53. Nope, there we go. 53. All right. I thought we had more than that, but 53 comments. No, I thought we had more than 53 comments. Let me put that in again just to make sure. I'll do it again just to make sure. Nope, 53. All right, we have 53 comments. I did not select duplicates. All right, let's see who the winner of the magazine with the stitch markers is going to be. Charlene Schiffman. Merry Christmas. Love the stitch markers. Thank you for this giveaway. Well, that's awesome. Congratulations, Charlene. You are a winner of the crochet book and stitch markers. Now, I'm going to have to go back and check and see if you needed to let me know you're interested in the book and the stitch markers, but I believe that we went ahead and decided we were going to do that. So bear with me, and we'll go ahead and pick the winners for the other two, or the other three. Okay, so Charlene, what I'm going to do is, if you wanted the book with the stitch markers, let me know. I will ship that out to you. If you wanted just the stitch markers, and I will ship out just the stitch markers, and then the next person that we draw will end up being the one getting the book. So Charlene, you have the option of whether you want one or both. Either the stitch markers with the magazine or without, and vice versa. Oh, I don't need to do that. I just need to pick another winner, don't I? All right, well, so let's just pick another winner. This is going to be for the first set of stitch markers. All right. What we got? Ida Fowler. Congratulations, Ida. Congrats on your new windfall with the Discovery Outlet. Thank you very much. Wishing you the very best with that. Thank you, Ida. I appreciate it. So, Ida, you have won a set of the stitch markers that I made that Etsy decided they didn't want me to have in my shop. Copyright infringements. I'll tell you what. All right, so the next person to win a set of those beautiful stitch markers is going to be Jen Reeves. Congratulations, Jen. It says, congrats on getting in the Discovery Outlet. That's amazing. I wish you good luck there. I love looking at crochet magazines. Your stitch markers are cute. Thank you for the giveaway. Well, congratulations, Jen. We will write your name down. Y'all be sure and stay to the end so you can see how you can collect your winnings. We have one more to draw for some more stitch markers. Who's this going to be? Demetra. Oh my gosh, you were so lucky. Listening to you. There we go. The stitch markers are cute. Too bad about Etsy, but good to know for future reference. Congratulations on your congratulations on your items being sold at the Discovery Outlet stores. Wish we had something similar in Canada. Thank you and Merry Christmas. Well, congratulations, Demetria. You are familiar with the way things go on my channel when you win a prize, so stay tuned to the end, and we're going to go over how you guys can collect your wonderful prizes. Thank you so much. All right, so I'm so excited for you guys. Congratulations. We have Charlene, Ida, Jen, and Demetria. Thank you so much, guys, for participating in my giveaway. It was awesome. I had fun this month. I had a lot going on, a lot of milestones for the end of the year. I'm really excited about that. Of course, you guys know I'm in Discovery Outlet in Cleveland and Hickson and Eastridge, Tennessee. It's a locally owned company by two brothers. And so, yeah, I'm really excited. These are people that I work for. And I think I told you guys how it came about, the story, how I came about being in the stores. But anyway, okay, so Rames is going to start barking. I'm surprised he's not over here trying to jump in my lap. Got that ring light on. It's awfully bright. Y'all know I end up adjusting this stupid thing every time I get on here, and I don't know why. Oh, nope, that just changes the color. Oh. There we go. That's my bright and my dim. All right. Yay. Oh, much better. I'm not so glowy. Actually, I already have one light over there. I need to move this light over here. I guess I can't. It's my mini ring light. Have y'all seen that TikTok where they take it and they go like this with the light, and then yeah. Those of you who watch TikTok. There we go. Much better. Much better. Spread my legs out on my tripod. Sorry. Okay. So, to collect your winnings, what you need to do is you need to email young40mom@gmail.com. Right here. And in the subject line, you have to put the word winner. Make sure you put that in the subject line. And then, of course, give me your mailing address so that I can ship your stuff to you. That last one was open worldwide. Anytime I can do a flat mailer, I will do those worldwide. So, my daughter's bad. Let me tell you what she did. She got me these as a Christmas stocking stuffer or as a Christmas gift. So bad. I'm not supposed to have them. So I'm eating them anyway. Because my daughter bought them for me because she knew they were one of my favorite candies. But I can't have it. I'm not supposed to have it. I'm trying to be good. So I'm eating an egg. Anyway, okay, so again, Young Furry Mom, make sure you put winner in the subject line and give me your mailing address. And remember, I will have another 3 giveaways for the month of January. And then after that, it's going to be every quarter until I hit some milestones. I want to give a special shout out for Mama Musing and Crystal, the Yarny Chicken Crazy Cat Lady, for promoting me, trying to get me up there, mentioning my giveaways. Thank you both so much. I really, really appreciate it. I know there are other people that mention me, but those two had actually put my name in a mention. I think it was like comments or something like that, that it came across my channel. And it's when you look at the analytics and it tells you who has mentioned you, which was really awesome. So anyway, I want to thank you both very, very much. I appreciate it. And then all of you, Verna, Ida, all you guys that write to me, Doris, and send me messages. I read them all. Kathy, Aaron's my BFF. Ellie, and all the rest of you. I know I haven't mentioned everybody's name, and there's so many of you that have blessed me in the year 2021, and I appreciate it. I'm sorry I'm eating the candy. I do have tutorials coming. I appreciate all the positive feedback I got from the last one. I have a lot more that I've done, and I'm going to make sure that I get those up really, really soon. So thank you, and yeah, be looking for the next giveaways for this month, guys. We got 3 more coming. If I ever hit that 1,500 milestone, I'm going to have a big one for that one. And we're just going to go from there. So thank you for watching, participating. Thank you for being part of my life. I love you all. Keep it real. Peace out.